Hey, good morning. This is Bill Bergfield here, and I want to get a quick message about rebuilding your confidence after retirement. And I want to be real, and I want to be transparent for a moment here. When work ends, a lot of people, including myself, they lose a piece of their identity. I mean, one thing, one thing I want you to know: you're not really flawed. You're really not alone. I just proved that. We had confidence because people identified us by what we did. I mean, Joe the plumber, Carl the insurance guy, and Randy the doctor. I mean, you get what I mean here. When we lose that title, we seem to lose the confidence that came with it. But confidence is something that I know we can rebuild, even during our retirement years. Here's how I know that. I figured out three things that work for me anyway. The first thing is that I do some daily affirmations, and you know what these are. I mean, you simply speak the truth and you speak life over yourself. I mean, it's also where I try to make a point personally to voice my gratitude for the many blessings that I received, especially the blessing that awakened me from sleep and allow me the joy of experiencing another day. I mean, here's a couple examples from my affirmations this morning. I still have value because I have experience, and my experience matters because I know what works, because I've tried everything that didn't work. I just refuse to give up in trying. That's number one, daily affirmations. Number two, I want to encourage you to go back and re-listen to those affirmations. Once you've made them, record them. Record them somewhere. I like to use my phone. I use my phone to record them, and then I've developed the habit of playing some of them back every morning. I have a long list of them that I keep track of. So number two is record your affirmations and listen to them over and over again. And point number three is this: create about a 60-second, maybe a little longer, internal visualization program. Let me give you an example. I do this by finding my quiet place, my chair in the TV room, and I sit there and it's quiet, and I close my eyes, and I picture myself in a very positive day, a very positive future. Let me see if I can give you an example. I see myself being active. That proves to me that I'm still healthy and getting things done. I see myself in better health, not getting overweight and watching what I eat, those kind of things. I picture myself having more peace and more happiness, and then obviously more income. That's obviously part of it. You see, I've experienced the effect of talking to myself with this kindness and truth, this whole daily affirmations and visualization program thing. I've experienced the effect of talking to myself, and that sounds kind of kooky, but it does have some truth in it. I know that it does because personally, I know that, like I said earlier, when I talk to myself, I find myself rebuilding my confidence, and I know you can too. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye now.